type of cell division? Meiosis is the type of cell division in which chromosome number reduced to half. That means 2n is equal to n. For example, 46 number of chromosomes are reduced into 23 number of chromosomes in the germ cells. Meiosis occurs in the germ cells, like in the males, in the sperm. During the formation of sperm or spermatogenesis, mother cell produces sperms having how many chromosomes? 23 chromosomes. While in females, germinal cells having 46 chromosomes produces eggs with 23 chromosomes. By which type of cell division? Meiosis type of cell division. That means it is a reductional division because chromosome number reduced to half. 2n is equal to n. And this type of cell division, meiosis type of cell division, occurs in the germ cell. In this type, what happens? Mother cell, single mother cell produces how many daughter cells? 4 daughter cells are produced. In the mother cells, the number of chromosome 46. If the number of chromosome is 46, then daughter cell consists how many chromosomes? 23. That means reduced to half. In the meiosis type of cell division, two main phases are there: meiotic division first and meiotic division second. In the meiotic division first phase, that is prophase. Prophase first. Pro means first. Prophase first, metaphase first, anaphase first, and telophase first. These are main phases of meiotic division first. Prophase first consists 5 subphases, that is diplotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin, and dikinesis. Up to this stage, all the substages are found under prophase first. Prophase first consists first phase, that is called as diplotin. In the diplotin, nuclear membrane and nucleolus start to disappear and chromosomes becomes thick. In the zygotin, the pairing of homologous chromosome takes place. Pairing means what? There is a formation of pairs of homologous, that means structurally similar chromosomes forms pairs, and then in the pachytin what happens? There is a formation of chiasmata. Chiasmata means crossing over takes place here. What is meant by crossing over? Single chromosome becomes thick and completely formed chromosomes, sister chromatids of that chromosome get crossing over. Crossing over, that means exchange of genetic material takes place from this segment of this chromosome and this segment of this chromosome get exchanged. अदला बदल होते जेनेटिक मटेरियलची, एक्सचेंज होतो. या गुणसूत्रावरचा जो सेगमेंट आहे पुढचा तो ह्याला चिकटतो आणि ह्या गुणसूत्राचा पुढचा जो सेगमेंट आहे तो ह्याला चिकटतो. त्यामुळे इथं काय होतं? एक्सचेंज ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल. फ्युचरमध्ये आई वडिलांपासून तयार होणारी मुलं 100% समान का नसतात आई वडिलांसारखी? मिरर कॉपी किंवा डुप्लिकेट असतात का आई वडिलांची नाही? थोडा तरी फरक असतो. कशामुळे? हे क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर इथे गुणसूत्राचं झाल्यामुळे गुणसूत्राचं क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होतं आणि त्यामुळे 100% सिमिलर नसतात वडिलांसारखीच किंवा आईसारखीच. त्याच्यामध्ये थोडा तरी फरक असतो कारण एक्सचेंज ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल क्रॉसिंग ओव्हर होतं. कोणत्या फेजला होतं? पॅच्युटी. नेक्स्ट फेज डिप्लोटिन. आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हॉट हॅपन? these sister chromatids get separated with exchange of genetic material and forms homologous chromosomes forms pairing. After some time there is a formation of spindle fibers. These are spindle fibers. Chromosomes moves towards the equator पेशीचा मध्यभाग and in the metaphase first, जसं काल आपण बघितलं, मेटाफेजला नेहमीच काय होतं? गुणसूत्र स्पिंडल फायबरला अटॅच होतात. कोणत्या रिजन मध्ये? इक्वेटोरियल प्लेन, मध्यभाग पेशीचा. त्या ठिकाणी गुणसूत्र ह्या स्पिंडल फायबरला चिकटलेले असतात. कोणत्या फेज मध्ये? मेटा मीन्स मधली. मधल्या फेजला नेहमी काय होतं? गुणसूत्र कुठे चिकटतात? स्पिंडल फायबरला. कोणत्या रिजन मध्ये? इक्वेटर. पेशीचा इक्वेटर म्हणजे हा भाग आणि पोल्स मध्ये हे भाग. लक्षात आलं? पोल्स म्हणजे अपोजिट पोल्स, नॉर्थ साऊथ सारखे, आणि हा इक्वेटर भाग. मेटाफेज फर्स्ट नंतर एनाफेज फर्स्ट. एनाफेज फर्स्ट, in this phase movement of chromosome takes place towards the opposite poles. विरुद्ध दिशेच्या पोल्स कडे हालचाल होते गुणसूत्राची. movement of chromosome towards the opposite poles takes place. म्हणजे ती गुणसूत्र कुठे होणार? चिकटलेली स्पिंडल फायबरला अपोजिट पोल्स. त्याच्यानंतर टीलोफेज फर्स्ट. टीलो मीन्स लास्ट, शेवटची फेज. मेयोटिक डिव्हिजन फर्स्ट म्हणजे शेवटची फेज. काय होतं? This chromosome reaches towards the opposite pole. After reaching the opposite pole, new nuclear membrane and a new nucleolus get formed. नवीन केंद्रक आवरण आणि नवीन केंद्रकी तयार होते. शेवटी टेलोफेज फर्स्टच्या शेवटी किती केंद्रक तयार झाले? 2. How many nuclei get formed here? 2 nuclei get formed. And around each nucleus there is the formation of complete formation of nuclear membrane and new nucleolus get formed, so that at the end of telophase how many daughter cells get formed? 2 daughter cells get formed, because partition is formed in between 2 nuclei. Then this cell enters into meiotic division second. In the meiotic division second, what happens? Again that prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase repeated. Prophase second division मध्ये prophase second. In the prophase second, nuclear membrane, nucleolus start disappearing. In the metaphase second, these chromosomes becomes thick and arranged and attached to the spindle fiber and arranged at the equator. Then these two cells, what happens? In these two cells, again metaphase starts from here. त्यामुळे हे नवीनच्या 2 डॉटर सेल आहेत, त्याचे पोल कुठे असणार आहेत? हा आणि हा. इथे उभी आहे त्यामुळे त्याचा पोल कुठे आहे? वरती आणि खाली. इथे काय केलेलं आहे? 2 पेशी ही आणि ही पेशी जी नवीन तयार झाली याच्यामध्ये हे पोल इकडे आले ह्याचे. त्यामुळे ही एक कंप्लीट पेशी आणि ही एक कंप्लीट पेशी ज्याच्यामध्ये इक्वेटर वरती गुणसूत्र अरेंज झाली आणि ह्या एनाफेज सेकंडला ती गुणसूत्र कुठे मूव्ह झाली सांगा? हे पार्ट डबल होतात. निम्मी गुणसूत्र या बाजूला, निम्मी गुणसूत्र या बाजूला, म्हणजे क्रोमोसोम स्टार्ट्स मूव्हिंग टुवर्ड्स द अपोजिट पोल्स इन द एनाफेज सेकंड. Finally, in the telophase, what happens? When this chromosome reaches towards the opposite pole, new nuclear membrane get formed, new nucleolus get formed. Here also similar process in this cell, and partition get formed here. Therefore, 2 daughter nuclei formed in the basal cell and 2 daughter nuclei formed in the upper cell. Here middle partition is formed. Then finally, how many daughter nuclei are formed? 4 daughter nuclei formed and 4 daughter cells get formed. With how many chromosomes? 2 chromosomes. In the mother cell, when there is 4 chromosomes, in the daughter cell, how many chromosomes are there? 2 chromosomes. That means reductional division takes place. Reductional division, double number reduced to here, 2n number reduced to half. That means n number of chromosomes are formed. At the end of telophase, how many daughter cells get formed? At the end, 4 daughter cells get formed. How many daughter cells get formed? 4 daughter cells with different genetic makeup or genetic formula. Here, these 4 chromosomes and these chromosomes are different. Why? Because of mixing of genetic material here. In which stage? Tachitin stage. Therefore, in the meiosis, different cells, different genetical configuration get formed and 4 daughter cells get formed. What is the difference between mitosis and meiosis? Mitosis is equational division, meiosis is reductional division. Mitosis takes place, mitosis for short duration, meiosis takes place for long duration. कारण ज्या phases उपphases जास्त आहे. Mitosis takes place in the body cell, meiosis takes place in the germ cells. Mitosis means 2n is equal to 2n, meiosis means 2n is equal to n. Is it clear to you? Meiosis takes place in which cell? Germ cell. While mitosis takes place in body cell. Is it clear to you? Very simple. What is the definition of meiosis? It is the type of cell division in which chromosome number reduced to half than the mother cell. That is the meiosis. Take down.